Hey, songwriter, welcome back to At Home Songwriting. My name is Chad Shank, and today I am working on a song that I have been working on since July 6th. I created a track first, and then I created a melody, and I've been living with the track and the melody for a while because I believe that if your melody and your chords are working and it feels like a song, it feels like it holds up, you can always write new words, right? So a lot of times I start with the melody first. And I think when you start with melody and the music, your music and lyrics feel like they go together a little bit more. They feel like they've always been together. I don't know why that is, but I feel like when I write lyrics first and when people write lyrics first, the melodies wander so much that it feels like they're two things that are being tried to be pushed together, right? So it's not like a natural thing. But the thing is I've been living with this track for a while, a couple weeks now, and excuse me, I didn't know if I wanted to keep the melody or what. And in my one of my previous videos, I did a breakdown on Prince's song Little Red Corvette, and I started to show an example of a song that I started from a new metaphor called Concert Light. And I was taking a shower the other day, and I just remembered in my head that the melody in this song actually has a 3-syllable kind of hook at the end of the chorus. And it just dawned on me that I could do concert light, 1, 2, 3, concert light, dum da dum, 3 syllables. And so yesterday, while I was kind of just hanging out, I wrote lyrics to concert light as I listened to the track over and over again. So I'm going to try to kind of play through this a little bit and really, I guess, show you kind of where I'm at in the process. Some of you, this is going to be boring. Some of you are probably going to like it. So I have the lyrics here. And look at the top of the screen. I wrote, I see you, but I can't catch you. That's my emotional knot. Remember, emotional knots are two things that are true, but they're conflicting emotions because your song needs a conflict in order to create more emotion in your listener. So I'm going to read through these lyrics and just give you a sense of what I ended up writing. And then I'm going to try to sing through them to show you where my head is at and how this came together. So here's the lyrics first. So it says, Minneapolis nightclub, the bass line sets the groove, purple rhythms pulsing, watch your body strobe around, watching your body strobe around. I'm in a daze, so in a daze, I'm upside down. Washed in your shimmer, the night comes alive. You fill the room like you're neon. You grab the music and go for a ride. You're a concert light, concert light. The more I try to catch you, the more I fall behind. The kick drum keeps us moving, letting the DJ drive the night, letting the DJ drive the night. I'm in a daze, so in a daze, I'm upside down. Washed in your shimmer, the night comes alive. You fill the room like you're neon. You grab the music and go for a ride. You're a concert light. Concert light. A deep flow of colors, you break through the dark, a prismatic lover, unreachable spark. Washed in your shimmer, the night comes alive, you feel the room like you're neon, you grab the music and go for a ride, you're a concert light. Concert light. So that's where I am with the lyrics at the moment, and where the song started was with the track. So I'm going to try to show you how I sort of have the track and the melody. So here, I'm just gonna play this. Okay, here comes the melody. that's the melody that I wrote to. And notice in the music I have a snare track, a kick track, some hi-hats, some cymbals, a piano, bass, guitar, so a horn section, which is everything's electronic. And then I have a synthesizer, and then there's the melody, and then I found a little tambourine groove in Logic. Okay, so now I'm going to try to sing through the lyrics and show you how that melody, which the melody again sounds like this, and I'll have the kick drum so you actually have some rhythm. Do you hear how it feels like a song already, just with melody and all of that? And you hear the dun 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 concert light. So let me try to sing through it here. Give you a little taste. Here we go. Baseline sets the groove. A purple rhythm pulsing. Watching your body stroll around. Your body stroll around. And I'm in a daze. So in a daze. I'm upside down. Washed in your shimmer, the night comes alive. You fill the room like you're neon. Go for a ride, you're a concert light, you're a concert light. The more I try to catch you, the more I fall behind. The kick drum keeps us moving. Let the DJ drive the night, let the DJ drive the night. And I'm in a daze, I'm in a daze, so upside down. Shimmer, the night comes alive. You fill the room like you're neon. You grab the music and go for a ride. You're a concert light, concert light. A deep flow of color. You break through the dark. A prismatic love light. Unreachable spark. Washed in your shimmer, the night comes alive. You fill the room like you're neon. You grab the music and go for a ride. You're a concert light, concert light. Yeah. So that is where I am. The song is done. The song's written. So to walk through the steps again, I made a track. I made a melody. Then I wrote lyrics to the melody. And it took a few weeks because I didn't even know if I liked the melody. But once I got the hook, the title, and the title came from my other video about Little Red Corvette. And I think it's coming together really nicely. So the next step is to just record the vocals and mix and master and all that stuff. But I appreciate you hanging out with me a little bit today. If you want to learn a few more tricks, keep learning and watch this next video and go to At Home Songwriting Courses dot com.